Hello everyone, and today we'll show you the all the free stickers in the beehive. So here is the first location. I will show you. We'll go right here. So yeah, I'm too lazy to kill the bees. So yeah, I will kill maybe only one. So good. And yeah, here we will kill this bee, and we are going to the final. Oh, I almost forgot. We need the sticker, yeah. So let's go here. One life. Yeah. That was so close. And there's a sticker. You can observe that I have another language, not English. Yeah, it's because I just understand it. Yeah, not because I'm from that country. So yeah, we're going here. Yeah, and the sticker is like there. I wanted to be on the tube, but yeah, I couldn't. And the platforms appeared here, and we can go because we can't do the same way. What did we go here? I just waited here for my health or regenerated. Yeah. Like the help up there, and yeah, I almost died here, but yeah, I got here, so that's not good thing. Because I'm lucky. And here we are going to the third sticker. Yeah, we need to go to the maybe. So yeah, just do this way. If you didn't did the beehive, just comment if you want.
So I can help you to pass
the
game. Yeah, in the beehive.
Yeah, I did the whole game. So yeah. Here, this is the final sticker. Yeah, it's right here. And yeah, that's the third sticker. So, if you go from stars to like me now, so you can do that because it's an invisible wall here, there, yeah, in the middle. But here, when you just like with the warming, it can help you, yeah. So I will just die here and go to the maybe. So, and goodbye. The video is finished, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for my videos to grow. Bye.